we have accessed fresh videos that look upon the other side of the disruptions that happened yesterday during the Lok Sabha address of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP this time has been calling it as a clear case of instigation on part of the opposition leader, Rahul Gandhi, where this comes even after the Speaker, Om Birla, pulled up Rahul Gandhi and the other leaders and the parliamentarians from the opposition almost twice to maintain decorum, to maintain when it comes to the sanctity of the speech as far as that has been given by the Prime Minister. However, all of those warnings went unheeded, and right now we are looking at videos there that actually showcase what was happening on the other side right even before the Prime Minister began with his address yesterday to the motion of thanks to the President's address. The opposition started with their protest. There was commotion, there was din, and of course all of those leaders who even came to the well of the House.
माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता ये शोभा नहीं देता। आपको पर्याप्त समय पर्याप्त अवसर दिया है, ये शोभा नहीं देता। आप सदन में डायरेक्शन दो। माननीय नेता जो बोल रहे हो जब खड़े हो, ये शोभा नहीं देता आपके लिए, ये उचित नहीं है संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुसार। ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है आपका। नो, ये गलत तरीका है आपका, और ये तरीका इस तरीके से नहीं चलेगा बिल्कुल। नो, गलत तरीका है। नो, ऐसे संसद के अंदर गरिमा बना के रखें आप गरिमा को तोड़ना चाहते हैं। आप संसद मर्यादा पीठ पीछे नहीं करें। आपको गरिमा नहीं, सदन की डायरेक्शन देते आप बेल में आने के लिए लोगों को। ये प्रतिपक्ष के नेता है आप। नो, गलत तरीका आपका। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी।
Mohit is joining us. Mohit, this is the other side that we can see what was happening while the Prime Minister was speaking yesterday.
Well, yes, in fact, Amita, now yesterday when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was speaking in the Lok Sabha, there was a massive ruckus, disruption by the opposition party leaders, and these videos have come out, and the BJP says that in these videos it's clearly seen that Rahul Gandhi was instigating the opposition leader to disrupt the speech of Prime Minister. They also say that Prime Minister is a constitutional post. They should at least respect the chair of the Prime Minister. They should respect the post of the Prime Minister, but that is not being done by Rahul Gandhi or the other leaders of the opposition parties. Now we see that a whole lot of BJP leaders are coming out. They're sharing all these videos which were first played by Times Now, in which Rahul Gandhi is seen asking the opposition members to protest while Prime Minister was speaking. Now the opposition parties raised the issue of speaking on Manipur. They raised the issue of need, but we know for a fact that our Lok Sabha Speaker clearly stated that post the discussion on the presidential address, motion of thanks on the presidential address, the need issue would be discussed. But remember, yesterday Lok Sabha has been adjourned, and today after the PM's address, the Rajya Sabha will also be adjourned. So similar tactics will be implemented by the opposition parties in Rajya Sabha too. So clearly, as of now, the BJP is upping the ante against the Rahul Gandhi and the opposition parties, saying that they do not respect the chair of the Prime Minister, but in fact Rahul Gandhi was instigating the opposition leaders to attack Prime Minister's speech, to create disruption, while on the other hand BJP is sharing the video of Prime Minister offering water yesterday in the Lok Sabha when the opposition leaders were protesting in the well of the House. PM is seen offering water to Manikam Tagore and other MPs. So clearly the BJP says that is the distinction between the Prime Minister and the opposition. PM cares for everybody, while the opposition just believes in disruption, and they do not believe in debate. Back to you.
Well, we have Shivani also joining in. Shivani, we've hearing reactions coming in from the BJP leaders already. But is this how a notion that has now been set on part of the opposition? Is this how the opposition will behave in Parliament now?
Amita, we've seen how yesterday when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was replying to the motion of thanks, the vote of thanks of President's address, how the Congress MPs were seen hooting and continuously they were shouting. We also saw how Rahul Gandhi was trying to instigate this kind of a behavior from the MPs of the India Alliance, and that's what we've been seeing there. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi specifically said that even though the opposition made its best, it tried its best to hoot him, to not let him speak, he spoke for almost 2 hours and even more. So we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi also has been sticking to what he said, the mentions of his address that were expunged. And yesterday when he was going to the parliament, he had also mentioned that whatever has been expunged is the reality. So he's relentlessly sticking to what he said, in spite of a lot of counter being given from a lot of MPs of the BJP also. And an apology has been demanded out of him. But still, many leaders of the Congress party and also of the India Alliance have been backing him instead of apologies from him, because, you know,
of course, we want to hear what the opposition leaders have to say on this behavior in the manner in which it was conducted while the Prime Minister was speaking yesterday. But even Mohit and Shivani, amid the din and the protest that appears to be orchestrated on part of the opposition, the Prime Minister wasn't bothered. He was unfazed. And he called out to the opposition MPs. He said the Congress party seems to be desperate in spreading anarchy across the country, and such disruptions cannot drown the truth, and it will not bother him.
ये कहां गया? हिंदू हिंसक होते हैं? ये है आपके संस्कार, ये है आपका चरित्र, ये है आपकी सोच, ये है आपकी नफरत इस देश के हिंदुओं के साथ। ये करने में आदरणीय सभापति जी, ये देश शताब्दियों तक इसे भूलने वाला नहीं है। 2024 से जो कांग्रेस है वो परजीवी कांग्रेस है, और परजीवी वो होता है जो जिस शरीर पर उस शरीर के साथ रहता है, ये परजीवी उसी को ही खाता है। इसलिए आज देश इनसे कह रहा है तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। ये देश का दुर्भाग्य है कि हिंदुस्तान में 6 दशक तक राज करने वाली कांग्रेस पार्टी अराजकता फैलाने में जुटी हुई है। ये दक्षिण में जाकर उत्तर के लोगों के खिलाफ बोलते हैं, ये उत्तर में जाकर के पश्चिम के खिलाफ जहर उगलते हैं।